So the purpose of my program is to have the ball move around and keep track of the score while it's moving around. And my program, it uses if statements to decide how much a score should change by based on the color that the ball's on. And it also uses if statements to check what to say at the end of the program if the score is less than 0 or greater than 0. If I was to change this last if statement to say if score is greater than 750, then it would only say this statement if the score was greater than 750.